This is a student's level 2 critique of Kate Mansfield's The Fly. I get a good two-tier title. Remember, all the major words in the title need to be capitalized, but that's good. I get the name of the author here and the name of the story again, and I get a really good summary. So this is really done well so far. Um, the the interpretation part begins with Mansfield appears to be saying that although we may take different paths, it is possible we will end up in a similar place. Um, most of this is going to focus on this is the underlying story. This is the underlying message of Mansfield. So I think this is a pretty good interpretation. Now let's look at the evaluation. I believe that there's a nice strong voice starting here telling me that the author is going to move into evaluation. So I can sense that, right? And I also see it down here. It seems to me so good. I see it down here. I believe. All right. So the student's voice, at least with these words, is being emphasized, right? But what I really get down here is more interpretation. See, the author is comparing an evolution of the boss's grief regarding his son's death to the fly's repeated attempts to save his. I think that's exactly right on. But that needs to be in the interpretation. Because now, see, the ultimate message is, what is Mansfield saying about that? Um, should we force ourselves to deal with the cruelty of life? Okay, if that's what, see, that's what Mansfield is saying according to this student's interpretation. Well, listen, tell me, do you think that's right? Or isn't Woodyfield and the way he's living a valid option for us to surround ourselves with softer comforts rather than to just torture ourselves as the boss does? See, I need you to respond to those points down here, not to repeat them. This is really another interpretation. All right, so nevertheless, I get the sense that the student knows basically what to do. It just needs to have some work down here. I probably would give this a 3.5 or a 3.6.